Guess where I'm at? I'm over at Annalee's house, where we always go and find our epic finds. As you can see, there's always something here to buy. My problem is, do I have enough money? That's mine. Now, let's look at what Grandma likes. You know I love miniatures. And are they not the cutest things you've seen, along with their little chairs?
Let's see if they sit in their chair. Oh, yes, they do. Oh, oh well, I have to position it better. But yeah, there she goes.
Yep. Can
Aww.
Andy make it too?
Let's see. He's super cute. I love his face. Oh, he's sliding.
We'll make him fit.
There. He's kind of leaning, but
We'll make him fit. Super, super cute.
that is cute.
Now, look at this. I didn't even notice it earlier. Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful?
Ooh, those are pansies, right?
Mm-hmm. They're so pretty.
That is nice.
Annalee always does such pretty displays.
So you could put it like leaning with something behind it.
You could put it up just like that. The lighting's not going to be good, but looks pretty nice, doesn't it?
That's really pretty. That would be nice in the cozy corner.
Yep, would. Perfect place for the cozy corner. Love getting things. And let's see what other things. What is the book here? Is this just about the American flag, or do you know?
It says, I pledge allegiance. Let me see what it says on the back, because that's usually what it. How many times a child asks you to recite? Oops, the doggy.
We
I'm
all
not
have
sure.
our doggies. No big deal.
I'm not sure, Mom.
And then we have our, well, now things are a little quieter, and I wanted to share all these beautiful tablecloths she has. And these had some beautiful, let's see if we can find it again. Look, scallop edges on them. Aren't they beautiful? I really like them. If they're not too much, I might end up getting some of those. This one would look great in my living room because I have a round table. And it's all embroidered. Isn't it beautiful? That's why we love coming to Annalee's house. There's always something beautiful. Right, Debbie?
And the Annalee's Treasures
Yeah.
shop.
Yep. It's a great place to shop. And she has so many beautiful things. Some things she's bought, some things she's made. But you never know what you're going to find. And a lot of these things you're not going to find in your regular stores.
And the thing is, most of the things that she brings out is like the seasonal. So, like right now, she's got this out. But last month when I was here, she had like all the Easter stuff. So it's just each season she brings the stuff out. I don't know where she keeps all the stuff, but I just enjoy being able to come over and reap the rewards.
I think she's a chronic shopper. Because most of this is brand new. It's never been opened, never been used. And I didn't have to go waste my gas looking for something so cute. So in a way, it's a lot cheaper than you think. And look at this beautiful doll for all you wonderful doll collectors. Isn't that beautiful?
I love the look on her face. It's so adorable.
It is. And the little antennas. So cute. She's dressed so precious. And of course, everybody knows I love gardening. So she works into my gardening theme perfectly. And look at this. Did she show you how that worked on your video?
Yeah, let's see. I don't know. See, can you see it?
I have it in frame. Look at
magic!
Did you see that magic, guys?
And then, oh, magic! Super cute.
It is.
And it's rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about running out of battery.
Best of all, because you can put it out here for the barbecue and be using it for a long time.
It's very cute.
It is.
She says she has quite a few of those.
8 of them. I was thinking, because I got 7 grandkids. You gotta think about it.
Right.
And I'm sure I'm going to have another 1 or 2.
Yeah.
down the road.
You know what I was thinking about these? They're really cute.
Mhm.
You could have them on your picnic table and then have whatever the food is. You know, put that by their food.
Oh, why don't you buy them for me?
Like your macaroni salad, your potato salad. Oh, really, Mom?
Aren't they terrible?
Yeah. You're like, oh, she bought that already. I don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, but my trouble is I buy a lot all by myself. And Annalee also makes these little teapots. Aren't they cute, guys? And she can make them any color, any size. Look at all the beautiful lace work on that one.
Look at the finial on here. It's so cute. Oh, look at this one. It's got, oops. Let me move that one. This one's got like a rose. Oh, I thought it was a rose.
It's a crystal top, though.
Yeah, but it's a rose color. It's pretty.
I love all the lace, though. The lace is my thing. And then look at how these boxes look so pretty for the 4th of July
I like
or Memorial. And the beautiful wooden plates. Oh my gosh, so pretty.
Oh, they're different colors.
Mm-hmm.
They're really good quality.
And you can put something, a regular little plate in there.
Mm-hmm.
And here's some more beautiful pieces. Look at this teapot. Do you see the birds there? And the strawberries.
Oh, it's strawberries. How
Mhm.
pretty. I can see it better now when you have the light on.
Yeah, I thought it was so pretty.
And it has a design on the handle too.
Well, you know how much I love gardening, so I thought it would be a great teapot
Yeah,
for me.
that's really pretty.
And I love the colors on it too. And then she's got this little, great little,
Raggedy Ann and Andy.
display. And another beautiful container to put a flower arrangement in.
Yeah, I like the feet on it.
It's
That'd
very
be
pretty.
cute for, stars and stripes too.
And look at all the beautiful glassware she's got. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Look at these, Mom.
I know, I love them.
These are so pretty. A cloche.
I know, I love them.
And then look, they're for your candle
Candle jewelry.
jewelry, yeah. But you see how they're
Curved.
so it'll fit on the candle. Pretty. And then look at this.
I know, I saw that too. That was beautiful.
I was like, ooh, these would be perfect for like when they have those elegant challenges, because I don't have a lot of elegant stuff, so that would be perfect.
Well, that's my problem too. I don't have a lot either. How about this little piece here, the gold?
Yeah, I don't think that I would have a table that I
That
could
fancy.
use this, but look at this. Could put your butter in there.
Super cute.
And then you put the ice down inside there so your butter can stay cold. Oh, I'll get my hand out of the way. Isn't it
Super
pretty?
cute. Very cute.
But we're not that fancy.
And more stuff for Memorial Day and the 4th of July. The fans are just beautiful.
Those are so pretty. This would be cool in my little nook,
Mm-hmm.
since I have 2 nooks to have them there.
Yep.
Look at the rocking horse.
I know, I saw that. I loved it too. You know how much I love miniatures. Oh, and these are little things to put your tea in, aren't they? When you have tea and you have
Oh yeah, your little tea bags.
yeah,
Oh yeah. So you don't have to put them on your
table or on your saucers.
Saucer, yeah.
Well, let's see what else we have. There's a lot of things to
Did you
see
see
here.
these?
Oh, I forgot. These are pillow covers. Put a pillow inside. Aren't
How
they beautiful?
pretty.
They look
I
like
like the rustic look of it.
yeah, the weathered look,
Mm-hmm.
but they are brand new, guys.
Yeah, these are really pretty.
They look almost like silk, are they?
Yeah, they're a silk. But I like buying the covers. That way I don't have to try to store a bunch of pillows.
Yeah, don't be like me.
So I'm really thinking about buying those.
And all of you know how much lace I love. So, and it's hard to find lace out in the stores, don't you think, Debbie?
Oh yeah, it's really hard. So let me
And-
open this up. Look, it's like a
Yeah. You could use it on your table for your flower arrangement to set on top. And there's
this
like a
one's a
little mini,
larger one.
it's like a little tablecloth miniature to put on top of your
Yeah,
tablecloth.
that's cute.
And I have those round tables in my living room, so I could put that on top of a tablecloth in my living room.
Yeah, that's really pretty.
And they look like they match, and I could put the other one on the other round table. And that I thought would be perfect.
Oh, this is really pretty. This is like a crushed velvet.
Yep, I did love it.
Oh, wow. It's really pretty.
And then, of course, I love
This beauty.
And this is for a round table. And I do have 2 round tables in my living room. I don't know if it would work or be too big. I'd have to try it out. I might have to break down and buy a round table the rate I'm going here.
I know I do. I need a little bistro table so I can put some round tablecloths that I got.
And look at all these cute little bee themes. And you know, that's one thing Grandma likes is her little bees.
I'm so cute. Look at, they got like a little cake on his back, a little pie. So cute.
Yeah, see, you should find out where she got them. We can order a set.
Oh. And look at I really like the bee
On the books? Yeah, I wanted that really
That is
bad.
so cute.
Now we got a few more things over here that she's made and bought. She made this one and these right here.
She makes these. Look at how this crystal topper is so pretty.
And all the beautiful flowers and stuff look so nice.
But I like that it's different. You know, it's not. It's a different look to it. I like that.
I like all the pearls and lace.
And look at this topper. Look at how pretty.
Mm-hmm.
And I like the blue and the yellow together. That's
it looks
really
good.
nice.
Oh,
Oh, look, it's got a little butterfly.
yep, you know we all love butterflies. And here is something else. Look at how beautiful that is. That is a ribbon they have put on there and made it into a little flower bouquet. And that would fit on a small table too. I love that too.
And that'll go nice with those other
Yep,
doilies over there.
yep, they would.
Wow. A
Well-
lot of decisions to make, Mom.
Okay, guys, if you want to find out what I bought, come back tomorrow and I will have a video up showing you what I bought.
And since I came shopping with Mom to Annalee's Treasures, I had to buy some stuff too. So that means you're going to have to go on over to Blossom Your Creativity to see what I purchased. I just want you to know that Mom and I were fighting over things. Just kidding.
Well, I look at it this way. I didn't have to spend my money and she bought a lot of things I wanted.
And so that means
I can borrow it
she's going to be borrowing it.
and it won't cost me anything.
Vice versa. If you buy something that I like, I'll just borrow it.
I know, I haven't got my tray back yet.
Oh, yeah, well, let's... Oh, look, napkins.
Trying
Trying to divert the conversation.
Okay. Well, thank you guys much and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.